So today I'm going to be making just a short video because I mainly done the prep last night. I'm going to be showing you how to create a wavy beachy look without using any heat. So this looks really easy because as long as you can plait, you'll be able to do it. So here they are. So these are the waves in prep. It's easier to do it when your hair's wet. So for example, last night I had a bath, washed my hair and left it to dry in these plaits because that's how you get the wave. But obviously it's gone a little bit weird from where I slept. But if you don't want to sleep with it like this, just tie it back into one, like so, and then it'll be out of your way. So this is how I'd recommend. Obviously the smaller the plaits and the more you do, the more curlier it's going to be. So usually I would just do one big plait for like a very soft wave, but because I want it to be quite wavy, I done quite a few. So I done 6. So I done where my parting is, here, and then I split it down the middle, which meant I have 2 on each side. So once they are dry, the reason why I left mine overnight was because my hair's really thick and it takes ages to dry. So say if you don't have really thick hair, wash it in the morning and then take them out and it'll be fine. So I'm gonna take one out and show you. So you literally just take the bubble out and unravel it, but you have to do it bit by bit, otherwise it will get tangled. And it will just look messy rather than neat. My hair's so thick it's still a little bit wet, but that's okay, just because I'm only showing you. So this is one taken out. And I'm just going to take the rest out now. So this is them all taking out. So what I'd recommend to do next is, if you've been to sleep, use a comb but just on the root area, because you don't want to brush out the waves because they'll just go frizzy. So just your roots, and then use your fingers and just run it through it all just to separate it and make it all blend. So as you can see, this is a lovely way to curl your hair, a nice beachy look without using any heat. So remember, the more plaits you do, the curlier it will be. You can just do, if you want to, just 2, so 2 bigger ones, so it's not as curly. It'll be more of like a softer wave, but this is for really curly and volumized. Another quick tip, if you feel like it's too much in your face, you can do a half up, half down. So where your ear is, each side, you're just gonna go up and meet here. Just pinch that hair. and then just grab it into a little ponytail, because personally I don't like all of my hair on my face, but I like to wear it down, so it's nice to be able to have some back, but it down as well, and it still be all curly.